Hey guys, in this video I will be sharing my experience when visiting Kuza Beach and Adventure Park, which is the newest all-inclusive day resort in Cozumel, Mexico. Kuza sits on a massive beachfront property and it offers a multitude of activities for guests ranging from cooking classes, jet skiing, ATVing, snorkeling, and the list goes on and on. I will say that we visited in August 2025 and there were still some areas that were being developed, so keep that in mind throughout the video. Alright, so let's dive into my experience when visiting Kuza Beach. To begin, our guide met us at the port and led us to an open-air van. Now, for anyone who has mobility issues, it is a bit of a walk and you're walking kind of like the length of a dock and going through a shopping mall, so be mindful of this. It took us about 7 to 10 minutes to get to our transportation. Once we arrived at Kuza Beach Club, we were given wristbands, and since our admission fee was already included, we made our way to the tram station. The tram ride to the main area is about 5 minutes, but it's a walkable trail if you don't want to wait. As I said earlier, the property is vast and the walk is about 15 minutes in the heat with the forest land surrounding you, which reminds me, don't forget to bring mosquito repellent because even though you're at the beach, there's tons of trees and like jungle land surrounding you. Our first activity was a culinary experience, which was hosted in a palapa-style restaurant. We made delicious guacamole and tacos, and we were given margaritas along with some tamarind water, which was very tasty and refreshing. We also tried a variety of tequila. My favorite was that coconut flavor. It was so good. After our cooking experience, we were led to the beach. I'm not sure if every cruise line has their own section, but since we were traveling with Disney Cruise Line, they had an area dedicated to their guests. So this really helped with crowd control. Once you're at the beach, you can find so much to do. I mean, we're talking jet skiing, snorkeling, a playground for the kids. They have a variety of games out, so chess and checkers, like life-size swans, Jenga, all of that stuff. They have a spa area for massages, ATV riding, even hammocks for relaxation. Pretty much, you have everything you need there to have an amazing day. Now, included in our ticket was the unlimited buffet food and soft drinks. So once it started to rain, we made our way to the large restaurant pavilion and we had a late lunch. The food was tasty, but the service at Kuza was even better because on the day that we visited, our swim time was unfortunately cut short due to poor weather. The staff quickly brought the vacation vibes by providing entertainment through dancing and trivia style games, and I thought that was a nice touch to keep somewhat disappointed guests laughing and entertained while they took shelter during the downpour. So overall, I would recommend a visit to Kuza Beach, especially if you're looking for that all-inclusive beach experience. I think their beach is great for travelers young and old. The amenities are all new and clean, and the attention to detail from the staff was A+. Alright guys, so that is my overview and quick review. Feel free to comment down below with any questions and comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care guys. Bye.